We're back on Blue Lou, the 57 Chevy. We're gonna see if we can fix this sound. Here. First thing we're gonna do is pop the valve cover off, and we found a rocker that's just a little bit loose. We're gonna go ahead and tighten it so we can still move the push rod with our fingers. It's probably a collapse lifter, but we'll see if this keeps the sound away. Took it for a little test drive. Everything's running pretty good. Actually sounds pretty decent. We go ahead and get the timing line out and set initial timing and check total timing, and everything was pretty good. Made a little adjustment. Sounds pretty decent. It's hard to hear on the video, but there's still just a slight miss. So I think next time we'll do a compression test and a tune-up, throw some plugs and wires at it, see where we're at. Stay tuned.